Today we have the Spotlight 2, an advanced presenter with haptics designed to keep you fully in the moment while you present. Let's unbox it and take a closer look at the Spotlight 2. Inside the box, you get the Spotlight 2 presenter, the Logibolt USB-C receiver, and user documentation. Now let's take a quick physical tour of the device. The Spotlight 2 has a clean horizontal layout with a central force-sensitive button. Below that are navigation buttons, and on the side, you have a customizable action button for shortcuts, breathing experience activation, and the laser. On the top is the laser pointer itself, and at the bottom, you can find your Logibolt receiver. Setup is quick and simple. Start by flipping your device over and removing the pull tab from your Spotlight 2. To connect via the Logibolt receiver, simply take out the receiver, plug it into your computer, and your presenter will automatically connect. To connect via Bluetooth, hold down both navigation buttons for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode, which will be indicated by the blinking LED. Then, select Spotlight 2 in your device's Bluetooth settings, and you're connected. To unlock full control, download the Logi Options Plus app where you can customize buttons, adjust sensitivity, and fine-tune pointer speed to match your presentation style. Now let's talk features. The Spotlight 2 is built around a concave force-sensitive button that your thumb naturally sits on, giving you a subtle haptic feedback so you never have to look down while presenting. Applying light force triggers the digital laser or the cursor, while firmer force activates advanced highlighting effects like Spotlight, Magnify, Square Light, and Annotation. It also features a built-in laser pointer for in-person presentations, and also a timer with customizable haptic alerts that gently guide you through your timing without breaking your flow. You get up to 30 meters of range for complete freedom to move, along with fast charging where just 1 minute gives you up to 3 hours of use. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.